what's going on? So today's video we got coming from Midwest Safety. Yeah, that how you say it? Midwest Safety. Yeah. So the title of the video is Cops Opened His Trunk and Everything Changed. Everything changed in the trunk. What, they catch one of them things in there, you know what I'm saying? So we definitely about to find out what it is that they actually talking about.
It was a routine traffic stop until they checked the trunk.
Hello, sir. I'm Officer Murphy of Moline. The reason why I'm stopping you is you swerved into oncoming lanes a couple times. You're kind of swerving in between different lanes.
Wait, hold on. Before we even get into it, that boy sound like he was in a good sleep. It sound like that boy was in a good sleep and he just messed his whole day up. That cop was chilling. Did you hear how he sound? Yeah, the reason why I stopped you is because, listen, look at the body cam. It's 2:22 in the morning. Look, that boy only got a few more hours and then he clocking out. You know what I'm saying? Like that boy was in, man. Look, this dude just messed up his whole night, man.
Hello, sir. I'm Officer Murphy of Moline. The reason why I'm stopping you is you swerved into oncoming lanes a couple times. You're kind of swerving in between different lanes.
I ain't mean to do that.
Okay. And then like when you turn that corner, like you almost clipped me because you came into like my lane.
I saw you.
Yeah. Do you have a driver's license, proof of insurance?
Nah, I don't get it. I live up the street. My insurance and all that shit. It's in my other bag. I live up the street though. Every police officer out know me.
Okay.
I don't get my registration. I got my insurance though.
Okay. You have your insurance?
Yeah, I ain't from out here. You see, I'm using my map as I'm.
Look. That ain't gonna get you out of what you got coming to you, man. You talking about every police officer know you out here, but you ain't from out here? Come on, man. You saying everything besides getting the information that he need, man. You know what they gonna ask for when you pull up. You know what I mean? Just say, if you ain't got it, you ain't got it. You know what I'm saying? Look, I ain't got it or whatever, but you ain't gotta go with the extra stories like that's gonna actually save you. You know what I mean? Because if you saying, look, all the cops out here know me, yada yada yada, what you think the cop gonna say? Oh, really? Oh, who you know or whatever? No, he not gonna get in no conversation with you about who you know. He really don't care. All he wants is the information that he asking for, and you just keep it as that.
Going on, okay. I'm gonna fuck with a bitch.
Okay, I got you.
I'm gonna fuck with a bitch or whatever.
Where are you from?
Chicago. I've been down here like 5-6 months.
Would you mind just rolling this back window? Your tint's just so dark I can't see.
That motherfucker dark as hell. Yeah. So what I got to raise it down for you for?
I just want to make sure there's no one in the back seat.
Ain't nobody back there.
No big deal. Okay. You said you don't have your driver's license on you?
Nah, I got him though. I'm valid though.
What's your first name?
Randy. R-A-N-D-Y. I'm trying to find this shit for you, man. I got you. 1 second.
All right, Mr. Can you step out for me?
For what?
We're going to have a conversation out here about the open container.
For what?
Okay, because there's an open container in your car. Okay, so I'm telling you to step out. All right, we'll pat you down, make sure you have no weapons.
That's cool, that's cool,
okay.
That's cool. All right, straight.
What's this in your pocket?
I know you're enjoying the video. I'm sorry that I had to interrupt, but I just wanted to tell you that we now have members only content. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that bell notification and make sure you hit right here, join, right? We have supporter, gives you certain perks as far as emojis, badges, and stuff like that. Then we have early access, which is you have early access to the videos that will be coming up on the channel, plus whatever comes in the supporter package. And then you have VIP, which you get everything in the supporter package and in early access, but alongside members only live streams. You can join me on the live stream if you want. And we have exclusive, and I mean exclusive, members only videos. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and make sure you join the members only.
Hold on, let me see.
Can I reach in there and grab it?
No, let me see first.
Okay, well, I'm not gonna let you reach in there.
Just keep your hands up, man.
Is it just the keys? I can't tell what it
Probably,
is. It's a hard
yeah.
object.
It's probably some keys.
Okay, can I just pull it in and make sure that
Yeah,
it's
go
just the
do your
keys,
thing.
that there's no
Do your
knives
thing.
or anything?
Nah, I ain't got no problem.
That's a nice whip, man.
You want to drive it? Drive it.
Look fast.
All right, hey, so since there's an open container, it's gonna give me probable cause to search your car for other open
You
containers.
do your thing.
Okay.
I don't know about that car. Hey, can I put my shit in my pocket without y'all?
Yep, you're good.
It's peaceful. Hey, don't do that, man. How you doing that?
What?
How you do that?
What do you mean? How'd I pop it?
Shit. I've been out here like 9 months.
That's kind of a cool pop, though. I'm not gonna lie.
I've been out here like 9 months. I've been down here. It's peaceful. Yes. Take my time doing
Have you ever been arrested before?
a million times, man.
For what?
Probably weed, goofy ass, miscellaneous ass, shit like that.
Do you have a FOID card?
Nah, I don't.
Okay. Tell you what, right now I'm just gonna detain you.
For what?
The gun in the back. Okay.
No gun now.
There is. Okay. We'll figure all of it out here in a second. Okay. End of the day, I'm not trying to take you to jail.
Boss man.
Okay. I just gotta figure everything out. We'll talk
Man.
about some stuff. Okay.
Yes,
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me. Stop. Get to the ground. Don't try to take off running, dude.
I'm not gonna run on
You just tried to.
Stop. All right, let me up, man.
No.
I'm done. All right, whatever. Let me up, bro.
Slow down.
That was the weakest run I've seen, man. What kind of that was so weak, bruh. Like he ain't even get a step. They get your come on, man. Put you in timeout like a kid. Get on the ground. God damn it. Get your ass on the ground, god damn it. Look. That was this was the weakest run I have ever seen. Look at this shit here.
Stop. Okay.
Yes,
Go ahead and put your hands behind your back for me.
Get your ass down.
Get to the ground. Don't try to take off running, dude.
I'm not gonna
Get
run
your
on
ass
You just
down.
tried to.
Stop. All right, let me up, man.
No.
I'm done. All right, whatever. Let me up, bro.
Slow down.
I'm fine, bro.
There's a gun in the back. You tried running.
Stop.
Why'd you try to run, dude? That's just dumb. You check. There's something in the pants pocket. We can send them over first.
There's a 20
Please.
over there. All right, take my shoes off. You
We'll
want to
get
take
there.
them off?
We're okay right now. I'll come talk to you in a second, okay?
All right.
Murph, are you on felonies?
Nothing in there. This feels like it's loaded. Can you grab me another bag? Oh, boys. Oh, boys.
Whoa.
We might have just hit the jackpot,
Yeah.
baby. Ooh.
There's a whole lot of something.
Oh, that boy got work in there too? Nah. Never boy got work in there too. Oh yeah, it's over. Oh yeah, it's over, boy. Oh yeah, he done.
Oh, boys. Oh, boys. We might have just hit the jackpot,
Yeah.
baby. Ooh.
There's a whole lot of something back there.
Oh, wow. That's a ton of coke.
You guys, there's so much, you can smell the coke, it's that strong.
He's also drunk and probably high on at least weed, but I mean, dude has at least a half a pound of coke and like a couple hundred rounds of ammunition, a drum. There's a Glock gun case, but no Glock.
He was messing around back there a lot. Bring me back to the squad? Yeah.
Y'all put this seatbelt on me for me, huh?
You got to, man. Everyone.
That's goofy. That's why I shouldn't even been cool with y'all ass, man.
You gonna step out for me, boss?
Why is this handcuffs up front?
Why'd you move your handcuffs up front?
Why is your pants undone? Come on!
Stop.
Don't do it!
Man, what the f you gonna do, man? What's wrong with you, man?
What's wrong with you? Being cool with you.
Nah, you want to be cool with me.
We're having a nice conversation. Back to the pool.
You done?
No.
Oh, shut the f up. You done? Stop pushing me, man.
Get in.
Randy, just have a seat, bud.
Stop pushing me, man, bro. Don't ever push me, bro.
Just have a seat, man.
What's wrong with you, man?
Just have a seat.
Can you please have a seat for us?
I will, sir.
All right.
Okay, let's go.
Don't do all that goofy ass shit. You must be a rookie, man. You're a goofy ass, man.
Put your feet in for me.
I ain't got no problem with it, bro.
All right, I appreciate it.
You must be a rookie or something, man. Get your goofy ass out of here, man.
All right. Right now, we're just gonna take you to the police department where you're gonna be interviewed by a detective, okay?
Will I be able to see the judge tomorrow or nah?
Yeah.
You know what time?
I don't.
Will they give me a phone call and
Yeah, when we get there, you'll get some phone calls.
I appreciate it, man.
Hang on, I gotta take the seatbelt off of you.
Sorry, yo. Hold on, bro. Hold on.
Stuck?
Yeah.
All right, take a couple steps forward.
Why'd you do that? So bend
So try to.
Yeah.
Pull him. Wait. Go. Wait. No. I ain't gonna work like that.
He got himself stuck trying to slip his cuffs in the front again.
I go in there. Take this shit off me, man.
Bro, you're going like that now.
Alright, take this off me.
Okay, that's now over. How did you do this?
Take this shit off me, man.
We can't take it off. You
Alright, well, I'm gonna be sitting here. It's gonna be a fucking sitter. I don't know what the fuck it is. I'm gonna make your day a hard day like mine is. Y'all lucky y'all coming with that shit. Well, I'll never call slippers.
Stand up.
This guy, he's comical though. He's comical, man. This dude is funny as hell, man. So remember, I was saying that it was 2:22, and look, on the body cam, it's 3:30 now. So it's been about an hour. Oh wait, no, it's been 2:22. No, oh wow, all this took place in about 40 minutes. It's 3:02 now. Wow, damn. Yeah, so it's been less than 40 minutes, about 40 minutes. But yeah, dude, this guy is funny, man.
You can't get to it when you sit down like that.
I got it. You got it, sir.
Take one of them off.
I got 2 sets of cuffs on me.
Yeah, grab the other one, remember?
Dude, if you get stupid, man, you're gonna end up getting hurt.
Man, if I get stupid, your mama gonna get hurt. What's wrong with you, man? You lucky you caught me.
All right.
Just front cup.
Yeah, I ain't on no goofy ass shit, man. Wow, shit. Where we going?
Upstairs. So you know this room is video and audio recording.
That's some good cops, cause shit, his ass would have been walking just like that. Your ass would have been duck walking. Yeah. You want to play stupid games, you get stupid rewards. You know what I'm saying? Why are you trying to slip your cuffs, bro? Like, come on. You did it earlier, and now you trying to do it again, but you got stuck. Your ass would have been walking just like that until we got to that goddamn room.
You slide your shoes off for now.
I can slide off. Take my shit off. Take them off.
Alright, sit down, I'll take them off.
You're not taking shit off me, man.
Slide the shoes off. Just slide the shoes off.
Stop. Be cool. No one's trying to get you at you, man.
No.
What is it you...
I talk to you, big dog. Get the f out of my face.
Take the shoes off.
I'm telling you no. I talk to you, please.
What's the problem with the shoes?
Bro, get out of my face, man.
He's not in your
Have you guys
face.
checked the shoes? Okay, you gotta take the shoes off.
I'm gonna talk to
You
him.
have to check your shoes
I'm
before.
gonna talk to him.
Then talk to me. I'm right here.
I'm gonna catch another charge
Look
with
at
you,
me.
bro. I'm telling you, I'm gonna knock your ass straight out, bro.
Look at me.
I
I'm right
promise
here.
you I am.
I am right here.
Whatever, Sarge.
I have to check your shoes.
I let you take
Okay.
my shit.
All right, have a seat, bro.
Yo, Sarge.
Okay.
I should knock your ass out.
No? You shouldn't have.
That's not the guy on the street you're talking. That's a totally different guy. The other guy is still out there.
Randy was arrested for possession with intent to deliver controlled substance, unlawful possession of a weapon, armed habitual criminal, and resisting arrest. He was cited for driving while his license was suspended or revoked, an uninsured vehicle, and improper lane usage. He was given no bond. Detective Lorenz interviewed Randy, and he took ownership of the cocaine, guns, and ammo. Each bag of cocaine tested positive. There was a total of 6 bags that altogether contained 361 grams of cocaine. There was $3,100 of cash placed into the evidence locker, along with 241 rounds of handgun ammunition for 3 different handguns, plus 18 rifle rounds, plus 7 Glock magazines, and a high-capacity drum magazine for an AR-15. He is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.
Boy, his ass guilty. Innocent until proven. Your ass guilty. Guilty as charged, boy. What? He already took responsibility for everything that was in the car, which was the right thing to do. But it was interesting because here's the thing, right? A lot of guys will get along with certain officers and not get along with certain officers. So, right when Randy was like, yo, I'm not letting you check my stuff, but Sarge good. He valid. You know what I'm saying? You know, it be stuff like that. You know what I mean? Because everybody don't know how to talk to everybody, and everybody don't, the vibe be off. You know what I'm saying? So people be like, nah, I ain't dealing with you, but I deal with him. And we can still get the same thing accomplished, you know? So, but yeah, man, dang, they hit the jackpot.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.